Hello, our advice team are friendly, caring and here to help you. They are here to listen to you or someone you trust if you need help. Sometimes children and young people need help with things like having their voice heard, problems at school like bullying or toilets, or feeling unsafe at home, in school or in their community. Your problem might be different and that's okay. You can still get in touch with our advice team. If they can't help you, they will always try and find someone who can. Our advice team is a confidential service, which means they won't share anything without agreeing with you first, unless they think you or someone else is at risk of being hurt or badly treated. You can contact the team by phone, email, or by using our website. If you contact us by phone, you can tell our team that you need help. They will ask you your name and age and pass you on to one of our advice team. You don't have to share your name if you don't want to. If you contact us via the website or email, someone will get back to you to talk about your problem. Remember, our advice team are available Monday to Friday, 10 until 4, and it's free for you to use.